If you're looking for cool videos, then you're at the right place. From PC to the console, then leave a smile on your face. Junkyard, Junkyard. Get ready to watch a video from Junkyard.
Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Junkyard here on the Junkyard server. Welcome to another episode of Junkyard Weekly. Today we are just doing a quick little tour of a railroad track station. We are over here at R.D. Maggio's little home, and I figured it was sort of cool. He has been working, and I'm not sure, I apologize, I'm not sure who else is helping him out with this. But he's got an outdoor living space. He's got it looks like some sort of resource here to build things quickly. I'm not sure what it is. I could check. Oh, it's a fishing thing. So it's some sort of fishing mechanism. He's got his resources put together here pretty well as far as all his stuff. He's got lots of chickens, so they are a chicken egg magnet hopper thing. I'm not sure really how it goes, but why we're over here is really because of the train station. Now look at this thing. We're flying up, but this train thing goes a long time, and we are going to go for a ride, see what it does, see how long it goes, and hopefully you guys come on the server as well. So we are starting right now. It's a minute and a half into this video, so we're going to add that as well. This just goes. It's a little loud, so while we're on here, let's turn the volume down so it doesn't, so you don't hear the tracks the whole time while I am talking. But what's fun about this thing is you can see me while I'm talking. See, look at that. You got Zid just came on. Hello, Zid. And this track is pretty impressive. And what's cool about this for all of you guys, what I think would be a fun opportunity is for you guys to build next to the tracks, next to the railroad stations, and these are, and slowly but surely infiltrate these the rail system into the spawn area, and slowly but surely have all these different resources of getting around the server. And we have the one rail waterway that I put together with Ellie and myself, and we went ahead and did that, and we got that all set up so you could take the waterway from the spawn area all the way to the ocean. So if you want to go out there, he has built this railway system from his home, but it passes a couple villages, and with the magic of what we could do is we could actually build some of these, get these villages alive again, because unfortunately some of these villages, the villagers are gone. So what we could do is always respawn some of these villagers. But I think it would be pretty cool if build a railway station or railway stop right there at that village, and then build your home around it. I think that would be pretty cool. Maybe help him build the light posts that you can see he was putting light posts on there or something to that matter. But this thing is going, we are already 2.5 minutes on this railroad tracks, and it still keeps going. The thing is just, it's endless. It seems like it goes forever, and he's continually build it longer. At the end of this thing, he's building it further down the tracks. So you can see we're having a little bit of load issues. It's because I'm videotaping. And how many people we got on right now? We have 10 people on. As of to date, we have had roughly 150 people come and visit since the server has come back on. Everybody's not here on a regular basis. We have our regulars here, though. We have Squatchy and Jack and Zidamide and Keith. We have the patrons. So the patrons, again, if you guys are on here and you see a patron on here, make sure you thank them, you guys. They are the ones that are helping keeping the server going, and we are looking that we may have to, if you guys keep building and utilizing redstone and all that the way you guys are, which we want you to. I'm very enthralled of how the resources and things are built nowadays here on Minecraft. So this gives you an opportunity to go ahead and utilize those, as far as the hoppers and the automatic builds and all that kinds of stuff. Nonetheless, it's a lot of resources, or a lot of pull on the server itself. Again, Funky is, oh my God, he is a godsend. This would not be happening at all if it wasn't for Funky. So the fact that I was able to get in touch with him again after 7 years, or 6 years, 7 years, whatever it was, all the stars were aligned for us to get back together again. And with that said, get on here, and when you see like a Patreon, make sure you thank them, and if you want to be one, please do. We are in the process of putting perks together for all the Patreons. We have some things, we're still working through them, so we are at the point where a lot of those things are still getting fixed, so they're not all put together as of yet, but we are doing quite a few things to make it all happen. Some of the perks is you're able to get around a little quicker on some a spider track or little thing. You can also do a what do you call it? You could also do a dragon, and you can fly around on that. We're gonna need people to get into. I'm gonna please go to sleep because I would like it to go day. So I'm trying to see if we get 2 more people to go in bed so we can make it go daytime. We need one more person you can see. But it's actually pretty cool at nighttime. But here's the end of the track. So it is officially 6 minutes, 6.5 minutes. No, 5.5 minutes. That's how long it is so far. And I am hitting the wrong button. All right, there we go. So you can see he is also starting to extend it this way. And, well, hello there, Mr. Skeleton. How are you? Anyway, so it looks so slow but surely he's continually building the tracks, and it's down to we have another whatchamacallit here. We got a creeper, and we need a hoe. And what we could do is build a hoe. Got a hoe. Then we need villagers. All right, we got 2 villagers. We got a zombie. No, we want this one. All right, so what we're gonna do is every once in a while we get out of here. Go. I'm gonna build a villager, and I don't want you to blow them up because I know you will. Go. There, you just go down in there. Go down there. Blow him up. And we're gonna bury him real. There we go. And he's stuck there. That'll work. Alright. And I digress. Back to what I want to do is we're gonna build a villager. And I think you need to build, somebody said you need a colander? No. What did you need to do this? You needed a, oh my gosh, I'm drawing a blank what it's called. It's something you need for the villagers to take advantage of it. And I can't think of it. Oh my god, I'm drawing a blank. Let's see if it's in is it in here? Nope. Is it in there? Nope. Is it there? Where is it? It's got to be in here. Oh my gosh, this is terrible, you guys. I apologize. I'm trying to do a Junkyard Weekly and get you guys updated, and I'm trying to get these guys all put together, and I don't see it. Oh man. Anyway, so I was hoping to get this villager up and going, and I do not see it. So, hey, get over here and work on this. So anyhow, but what's cool about this is if we get the villages back up and going. Now again, it's not everybody has to come in here and kill the villagers. It's unfortunately they get attacked and blown up and things like that. But you put them back in their places like I'm doing. Slowly but surely they're going to start building them all over again. And look at, oh, we got somebody in here. Oh, see, there is a farmer in here. He's locked his farmer in there. That's good. Oh wait, that's what I was trying to figure out. That's what I want to see. Here we're going. Oh, let me get in here. And this is a composter. Thank you very much. That's what I was trying to find before. All right, so if we put a composter over here, and apparently, there you go. So you put a composter and he becomes a farmer. Look at that. We could we'll get him some seeds. Get him some seeds, and he'll do his job, and then he'll start composting away. So apparently the villagers need the composter right next to the farm so they can start doing their job. So that's what he's going to start doing. Anyway, so I digress. But hey, get on the server, you guys. If you're not sure about doing this and you don't want to do this, but you still want to talk to all of us, come on Discord. We're on Discord regularly and chatting away over there. We're just doing a little bit of anything as far as anything and everything when it comes down to it. Lots of different builds are going on. I can see, like I said, different individuals that are on here. Let's go see what Keith is doing. We haven't seen Keith in a while, so let's see what he is up to these days and see what he's building. Oh, and where is he? Keith he's got a huge farm going on. He's got his little tabby house going on, which is pretty cool. And as you know, Keith has a lot of things going on down there. Oh, somebody else is over here with him. Who else is this over here? We got Joe. Joe has some wings. How did he do that? Joe, how did you get those wings? That's pretty amazing. And his mouth moved. Oh, he's eating. Well, hello, Joe. Hello, Keith. Hello, Joe. That's crazy. That's right. You guys learn so much here on this Minecraft game. It's just crazy. We got a high thing of scaffolding. Oh, it looks like somebody else is building a railway system of some sort here. There's a fox. This railway system's going into the forest too. So slow but surely. Wow, look at that. That one's going all the way over here. But it's not as pretty as what RDI Maggio did. Just saying. You know, it's not that it's bad. It's just not as pretty. It still works. You know, so we can still move on it. See? Oh, there's a villager's thing, and we're moving around on this here, but it's just thrown on the dirt. And fail. All right, let's head back to spawn, you guys. Spawn. And we've introduced the nether, so if you do want to come see things on the nether, you can come on in here and get in here and do this. And we've actually added made it a little bit pretty, and as far as that goes, so you come in the nether. This is basically, this is it's not a quick, it's actually 14 minutes long. I may cut it down, I don't know. But nonetheless, I figured I'd just get on here, guys. Get on the server. Again, if you are a Patreon, thank you so much. If you are not and you'd like to be, please do. Again, anything helps. It all adds up to the point where we'll be able to keep this thing going, well, hopefully for a while. That's our goal, to keep this thing going for a while. So this is Junkyard. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for coming on board. Needless to say, keep gaming.